Sisällä munko tehdä pekkiä?
Hello everyone, my name is Liv. Today I am going to show you my garden. Let's go to the compost. Take a look at my compost. All these scraps and paper is going to turn into good stuff for the garden. This is my learning garden. My favourite fruit is strawberry. My name's Rose. I like planting bananas.
Now, the first part is our garden. This is where we're going to plant. So a little bit further, and just here.
I'm going to plant this basil. Does anyone know what this herb is? Smell it. Yes, it is mint. There's lots of interesting things growing here, like tomatoes. And there's also basil. My favourite thing to grow is spinach. It's a hard job and your hands get messy. Ugh. I like to grow beetroot and tomatoes. Found them. Here it is. There's also different things here, like cucumbers. You know how you write? This is kale. This is a worm farm. Worms make soil for us.